So I've got my digital calendar here. What I want to do in this review is show you everything that comes with. Then we're going to go over the features of the calendar itself. Now it does come with some mounting hardware and a template if you want to go ahead and mount this on a wall. We've got an instruction booklet, and then right at the bottom of the booklet here, it's just going to let you know that it does connect to all the popular calendars, all the way from Google to Outlook. Now this calendar itself is 10.1 inches, it's full HD, and it's a touchscreen. On the back side, it does have a kickstand. These are our mounting holes. You can mount this vertically or horizontally. Up top, we do have our plus and minus to increase or decrease any volume, and then the power button. Now the monitor will self-orient itself. You can have it horizontally or vertically, so it's going to flip over just right away. This is the main dashboard here. We've got all these different little tabs. Along the side here, we can go ahead and go into each individual one. So for instance, that's a calendar. If I want to go ahead and add an entry to it, I'm going to hit the plus at the bottom right hand corner, and go ahead and put that in. Of course, if you do this, say on Google or Outlook, it's going to automatically transfer all that information right over here also. Now this does come with an app that you can put on a smart device and do the same thing instead of doing it manually. You can go ahead and hit plus, go ahead and add an event, and immediately it's going to go ahead and populate over to the digital calendar. Now this is also a digital frame, so you can load any photos, a photo album. It's going to go ahead and just rotate through all those. It also does give you, of course, the time and the weather and quite a few other things too. It's very versatile. It's really easy to use. I love that it is touchscreen, and I can either just set it on maybe a counter or mount it on a wall too. Hope you found this helpful.